I'm Britta Plug, and I am a licensed esthetician and holistic beauty expert and educator. And we are at home in my bathroom today, and I'm going to double cleanse with you. Double cleansing can be a great way to take the day off and have a little bit of a ritual for yourself as you get ready for bedtime. So for a first cleanse, often an oil or balm-based cleanser is preferred. And these are so great at breaking down makeup, excess oils on the skin, dirt, SPF, really taking off all of that external. With freshly washed hands and dry skin is how I prefer to do this. Getting a few pumps of oil. First, just applying it. Don't neglect the neck. Fingers on chin and thumbs just underneath the jawbone. Circles on the chin. And you want to spend more time anywhere that you get more blackheads as well. And getting the entire cheek. And coming on to the upper lip. And getting around the nose. And circles around the orbital bone. Circles at the temple. And coming onto the forehead. This is a deeply relaxing pressure point area to massage. And cover the entire forehead in little circles. And then coming down onto the neck. And I'm coming down for a little lymph drainage. And some circles at the collarbone for a little lymph action there too. All right, I'm ready for my hot washcloth. Take a deep breath in and out and press the washcloth into your face. Enjoying the warmth, soaking it in, and then removing the oil cleanser with circles. If you have really congested skin, doing this step twice, re-rinsing the washcloth with hot water, wringing it out, and removing again can be very helpful. So I'm gonna go into my next cleanse with the Gentle Foaming Facial Bar next. This is gonna be quicker. I don't like to leave anything foaming on the skin for longer than 30 seconds. I'll go through similar motions. So I'm gonna splash this off now using at least 5 rinses of warm water. Pat dry. So soft, so clean without being stripped at all, and ready to receive all of the hydrating and nourishing products that I will apply next. I hope you enjoyed your double cleanse too.